I am Nishant Agarwal, faculty of Arya College of Engineering and IT, Kukas, Jaipur. My department is Electrical Engineering. Today I am giving a video lecture of Power Electronics of BTech 4th Sem. My topic is MOSFET, Metal Oxide Semiconductor Field Effect Transistor. In this video lecture, we cover the construction, circuit symbol, transfer characteristics and output characteristics of power MOSFET. The contents of this PPT is introduction, why we need power MOSFET, basic structure, construction, static IB characteristics and transfer characteristics, advantage and disadvantage, application. Introduction. Combining the area of field effect concept and MOS technology, high input impedance, unipolar device. In MOSFET, second breakdown problem is not present. Voltage control device, three terminal device. As we know, the MOSFET and power MOSFET, what is the basic difference in MOSFET and power MOSFET? MOSFET is using for the low power ratings and power MOSFET is used for the high power ratings. So the MOSFET is developed by combining the area of field effect concept and MOS technology. It has three terminal, drain, source and gate. BJT is current control device, but MOSFET is voltage control device. It is also a unipolar device, so as its operation depends on the only majority carriers only. The control signal or base current in BJT is much larger than the control signal or gate current required in MOSFET. This is because of the fact that gate circuit impedance in MOSFET is extremely high. The large impedance permits the MOSFET gate to be driven directly. That's why second breakdown problem is not occur. As we know, already discussed about MOSFET for using high power rating. So why we need power MOSFET? This leads to high power dissipation in N channel and breakdown occurs. Number 2, on increasing VGS, more current flow, and number 3, large on load resistance. This is the basic structure of power MOSFET. N channel enhancement power MOSFET type or circuit symbol of power MOSFET. As we know, MOSFET is two types, enhancement type and depletion type, and there are two channel, N channel or P channel. A simplified structure is shown N channel type in this figure. On P substrate called body, two heavily doped N plus region are diffused. An insulating layer of silicon dioxide on the surface. Now the insulating layer is etched in order to embedded metallic source and drain terminals. When gate circuit is open, no current flow from drain to source and load because of reverse bias N plus minus P junction. When gate is made positive with respect to source, an electric field is established. Eventually, induced negative charge in the field is on P substrate SiO2 layer are formed. These negative charge called electrons from electrons from n channel and current can flow from drain to source and load. This is the transfer characteristics of power MOSFET. Variation of drain current ID as a function of gate source voltage VGS, the minimum threshold voltage VGST, the minimum positive voltage between gate and source to induce n channel is called threshold voltage. This characteristics shown the variation of drain current and gate source voltage VGS. It is also seen that there is threshold voltage VGST below which the device is off. The magnitude of VGST is approx 2 to 3 volt. The output characteristics or IB characteristics of power MOSFET. This is ID versus VDS, drain to source voltage. For low value of VDS, the graph between ID and ID versus VDS is almost linear. This indicates a constant value of on resistance RDS equal VDS upon ID for given VGS. If VDS is increased, output characteristics is relatively for flat, indicating that drain current is nearly constant. A load is increased, the output characteristic at A and B. A and B, A, A and B. Here A indicate fully on condition and B fully off condition. Power MOSFET operate as a switch either A or B, just like BJT. When device is P MOSFET curve transfer from cutoff to active region, then no ohmic region, and when turns off take backward journey from ohmic to cutoff region. Advantage and disadvantage of IGBT. The advantage of MOSFET. Sorry, in this slide we write IGBT, that is MOSFET. Advantage of MOSFET: higher voltage rating, lower switching loss, secondary breakdown problem does not occur because it has positive temperature coefficient. The main disadvantage the main disadvantage of N channel MOSFET is that conducting N channel in between drain and source give large on-state resistance. This leads high power dissipation and power loss. That's why this is the main disadvantage of power MOSFET. Last, the application of power MOSFET. The power MOSFET are used in power supply, DC to DC converters, low voltage motor controllers. These are widely used in low voltage switch which are less than 200 volt. This is the whole power MOSFET construction characteristics and description about the symbol. Thank you.